So in the last class, we have discussed about the integrated rate equation for zero order. So integrated rate equation for what? Zero order. So now, what is the integrated rate equation for zero order? K is equal to what? R naught minus R divided by T. Okay. So now what is the graphical representation? Plot of R versus T. So what is the plot of R versus T for what? Zero order. For zero order. So क्या होगा? तो इसमें क्या होगा? From this क्या लिख सकते हो? KT is equal to what? R naught minus R. That is what? RD is equal to R naught minus KT. So KT is equal to what? R naught minus R. That is what? RD is equal to R naught minus KT. ठीक है? So now, if we compare this equation with what? Y is equal to mx plus c. Then क्या होगा? This is what y, this is what c, and this is what mx. So y will be what? R. C will be what? R naught. C means what? Intercept. M is the what? Slope. And x is the what? Axis. So now plot क्या होगा? What will be the plot now? What will be the plot? R. ठीक है? X क्या होगा? T. So इसमें slope है. What is the slope? R naught. So this is what? R naught. And this is the what? Intercept. And slope क्या होगा इसमें? Minus k. ठीक है? So here intercept is equal to what? R naught. So this is the plot of what? R versus T for what? Zero order. So इसके लिए क्या होगा? Slope will be what? Minus k. And intercept will be what? R naught. ठीक है? एग्जाम में आ सकता है. Draw a plot of R versus T for what? Zero order and find out the what? Slope and intercept. ठीक है? Okay. So now integrated rate equation for first order. So first order के लिए integrated rate equation क्या होगा? Same method. So जैसे हमने zero order के लिए determine किया था, by using the same method, we can find out the what? Integrated rate equation for first order. ठीक है? So let us consider a reaction. What is a reaction? R gives P. So इसके लिए differential rate equation क्या होगा? Rate is equal to what? Minus dr divided by dt. And rate law क्या होगा? What is rate law? Rate is equal to what? K R. So for zero order इसमें क्या था? Power is zero. This is the first order means what? To the power 1. So KR. ठीक है? So now combining these two equation हमको क्या मिलेगा? Minus dr by dt is equal to what? KR. ठीक है? और what you can write? Minus dr by r is equal to what? K dt. So अभी तक हमको क्या मिला है? Minus dr divided by what? R is equal to what? K dt. ठीक है? So now integrating this equation, इसको अब हमको क्या करना चाहिए? We have to what? Integrate this equation. इसको integrate करो. Integrate करने से क्या होगा? Minus dr by r is equal to k is the constant. So k dt. ठीक है? अभी देखो integration of dx by what? X. So integration of dx by x is equal to what? ln x. This is the what formula of integration you get in what? Class 11 in maths. So इसमें क्या होगा? Minus ln r. So integration of dr divided by r is equal to what? ln r. So इसमें ln क्या है? ln is equal to what? Natural log. ठीक है? is equal to what? kt plus c. और अभी हमको क्या करना होगा? We have to what? Find out the value of c. That is what? Integrating constant. कैसे फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो? Same method. When t is equal to 0. While t is equal to 0, then क्या होगा? r will be what? r naught. ठीक है? Now put this value in this equation. So put up करने के बाद क्या मिलेगा तुमको? So now put this value. So क्या होगा? Minus ln r naught is equal to, ठीक है, k into 0 plus c. That is c is equal to what? Minus ln r naught. अभी क्या करना है? Put the value of c in this equation. ठीक है? Then क्या मिलेगा? और minus ln r naught minus ln r is equal to what? kt minus ln r naught. यहाँ तक ठीक है? तो क्या मिला है? Minus ln r is equal to what? kt minus ln r naught. So now अभी क्या होगा? ln r naught minus ln r is equal to kt. इसमें क्या लिख सकते हो? ln a minus ln b means what? ln a by b. So ln r naught by r, ठीक है, is equal to kt. और you can write, ये ln था, say ln x is equal to what? y. So x is equal to what? e to the power y. This is the formula. So what you can write? r naught by r is equal to what? e to the power kt. E means what? Exponential. Or you can write r divided by what? r naught is equal to e to the power minus kt. ठीक है? और finally you can write r is equal to what? r naught into e to the power minus kt. This is one of the form of what? Integrated rate equation of first order. ये भी आ सकता है. So that for first order reaction r is equal to what? r naught into e to the power minus kt. ठीक है? ये भी एग्जाम में आ सकता है. अभी देखो again from this one, यहाँ से क्या लिख सकते हो? So ln is equal to what? ln x is equal to what? 2.303 log of x। अगर तुमने log में 2.303 मल्टीप्लाई किया है, then you'll get what? ln। So put this value in this equation। So क्या होगा? 2.303 log of r naught by r is equal to kt। ठीक है? और you can write k is equal to what? 2.303 divided by t log of r naught by r। So this is the what? Final integrated equation for first order। This is the what? Integrated rate equation for first order। ठीक है? So remember क्या होगा? K is equal to what? 2.303 divided by t log of r naught by r। Okay? So this is the what? Integrated rate equation for first order। So now we have discussed the what? Integrated rate equation for zero order, again integrated rate equation for what? First order। So remember this equation। So now plot of ln r versus t। So plot of ln r versus t। So this is the equation जिसमें क्या है? ln है। ठीक है? So यहाँ से क्या लिख सकते हो? ln r naught minus ln r is equal to kt। ठीक है? और ln r is equal to what? ln r naught minus kt। Okay? If this is what y, this is what m, this is what x, ये क्या होगा? c होगा। So what will the plot? Plot क्या होगा अभी? ln r versus what? X means t। There is our intercept। So this is the intercept ln r naught। And what is the slope? Slope is equal to what? Minus k। Because equation क्या था? Y is equal to what? mx plus c। So इसमें माइनस है, so m क्या होगा? माइनस k होगा। So this is the what? Plot of ln r versus t for what? First order reaction। ठीक है? Okay। अभी देखो half life period for first order reaction। फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन के लिए क्या चाहिए हमको? हाफ लाइफ पीरियड। सो एज यू नो व्हाट इज हाफ लाइफ पीरियड? इट इज द टाइम रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द व्हाट? हाफ कंप्लीशन ऑफ ए केमिकल रिएक्शन। कोई एक केमिकल रिएक्शन हाफ कंप्लीट होने के लिए जितना टाइम पीरियड रिक्वायरमेंट होगा वही क्या होगा? हाफ लाइफ पीरियड। एंड हाफ लाइफ पीरियड कैन डिटरमाइन फ्रॉम द व्हाट? इंटीग्रेटेड रेट इक्वेशन। सो फॉर फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन integrated rate equation is, so क्या था? k is equal to what? 2.303 divided by t log of r naught by what? r। ठीक है? So now हमका क्या चाहिए? हाफ लाइफ चाहिए। So you can write t here and k here। when t is equal to what, t half, then क्या होगा, r becomes what, r naught by 2, as we have discussed in the what, zero order reaction. Then put this value in this equation. So क्या होगा, t half 2.303 divided by k log of r naught divided by what, r naught by 2. r naught is what, cancel out. So अभी क्या मिलेगा, अभी क्या मिलेगा, so t half is equal to what, 2.303 divided by k, so log of 2. So what is the value of log of 2? Log of 2 is equal to what, 0.301. So क्या होगा, 2.303 divided by k into what, 0.301, that is 0.693 divided by what, k, that is t half. So this is the what, half life period for first order reaction. So first order reaction के लिए half life period क्या है, 0.693 divided by k. And what is the half life period for zero order, क्या था, t half is equal to r naught divided by 2k. अभी देखो हमको क्या मिला था, for zero order reaction half life period depends on the what, initial concentration of the reactant. But इसमें है क्या, that is for first order reaction half life period is independent of initial concentration of the reactant. So इसमें डिपेंडेंट नहीं होगा, as there is no what, r naught. ठीक है, so this is the what, half life period for first order reaction. तो ऐसे प्रॉब्लम आ सकता है, अगर तुमको k का वैल्यू गिवन होगा, then find out our half life period. Say कैसे होगा, find out the half life period if k is equal to what, 0.2 2 into 10 to the power minus 1 second inverse. ठीक है, second inverse means what, ये क्या ऑर्डर होगा, फर्स्ट ऑर्डर होगा. सो फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन के लिए हाफ लाइफ पीरियड क्या था, 0.693 डिवाइडेड बाय व्हाट, k. सो k का वैल्यू गिवन है, सो 0.693 divided by 2 into 10 to the minus 1, that is what, 0.346 into what, 10. ठीक है, सो क्या होगा, ऐसे लिखने से हो जाएगा, t half is equal to what, ये सेकंड. ओके, ठीक है, और इसमें 10 to the power 1. So this is the what, half life period for first order reaction, or you can multiply it. ठीक है, मल्टीप्लाई करने से क्या होगा, 3460. सो 3 नंबर का डेसिमल है 3, that is what, 3.46 सेकंड. ठीक है, so in this way you can find out the what, half life period. अब इसमें देखो, इसमें एक इम्पोर्टेंट नोट है, if a reaction is X percentage completed, if a reaction is what? X percentage completed. X means what? Either it may be 70%, 80%, 90%, 99%. Then the value of R. R means what? Concentration at a time T can be determined by following formula. Okay. What is the formula? R is equal to what? R naught minus X by 100. ठीक है सर? So now इसमें क्या होगा? If a reaction is what? X percentage completed, then the value of R can be determined by the following formula. So what is the formula? R is equal to what? R naught minus X by 100. X is the percentage, either 70% or 80%, जो भी होगा. Say for 90% completion, for 90% completion, R क्या होगा? R is equal to what? R naught minus. So X का value क्या होगा? 99. So 99 by 100. That is what? R will be. So इसमें क्या है? R naught. हमने नहीं लिखा था. That is what? R naught. ठीक है. So R is equal to what? 100 R naught minus 99 R naught by what? 100. That is R क्या होगा? 1 R naught means R naught by 100. So this is the what? Relationship between R and R naught. If the what? There is a percentage of completion of a chemical reaction. So ये mathematical problem में use होगा. ठीक है? So you will solve a problem where you need this equation. ठीक है? So आज के लिए यही तक होगा. So in the next class we will do a what, or we will start with a what? Mathematical problem. ठीक है?